So at this point, what I want to do is finish putting the pieces on.
So instead of making one big tutu layer or something, you would do it in pieces.
I do it in pieces, yeah.
Piece at a time?
And I do it on the cake. This just happens to be what I had on my original cake.
Excellent.
And I just did that for, for time. I mean, do you really want to see me do that over and over and over again?
Yep.
It's easy. It actually goes, almost all the way around.
Anki in Sweden says, we're focused.
We're focused? Is that what it is?
I'm not asking questions. We're focused.
Okay. So basically, I'm just going to set this guy on top of here and then do this last green layer for you. Is everyone okay with that? Or do you really want to see me do the whole thing? Okay.
Just take a look at it again if it doesn't make as much sense as you would like
so I'm just going to go ahead and attach this guy on here, and then I'll attach this last green piece on here.
Okay.
And this was made in December, so. We've put all the gold on, and now we're putting our last layer of green lace on.
But normally you would do this and then put on the roses?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just using some pieces that you've already
That's
had.
already been done. Yeah, I'm going to show you the roses. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I'll get there.
They're cute. They're tiny.
Yep. They're a mold.
They're molds.
They're molds.
We love molds.
We do.
Because there's 100 on here and you don't want to pipe those.
Well, you can do toothpick roses. You can pipe toothpick roses. Okay, so I'm using wet gelatin to make my frill here. Right.
Yeah.
And fold over the edge. Okay. All right, so we've got it on. All right, we're ready to do some decorations, but I actually want to put the top tier on before I start decorating it, because otherwise I'm not going to quite know where to place my decorations, because technically those aren't supposed to be there. They're just ones I couldn't pluck off without ripping it, so I didn't want to rip it up. So, all right, so let me go ahead and grab my top tier. So a little bit of frosting. You can use buttercream. They seem to have misplaced it somewhere, so wherever my buttercream is, I'll just use my other frosting. That works.
Okay. That's
actually royal icing. I normally don't use royal icing to attach tiers, but my buttercream has gone MIA, so.
It has escaped.
Michael probably used it for his cake.
Okay, so that's got cardboard right there.
Yeah, it's got a cardboard underneath it.
Okay.
And you want to put that in the center. And you see how it attaches your tier now.
It also has a front and a back.
It does.
Line it up.
So make sure it's in the front. The tilted, the slope goes toward the front.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone see that all right?
Yep.
Is it looking more like a ballerina now? Isn't she cute? Okay.
There, sure.
So you can see that my gelatin skirt is on there really well. Lace is on there. I can always slide some more of these little guys in if I want. I can slide them in underneath.
Oh, very cool.
If I decide I want some, and I might.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right.
Okay. So now we're ready to put some flowers and decorations on it.
Okay.
We need to put the bottom border on here. The bottom border, you can do, you can do one of two things. I have two different borders here. One is pearls, but I actually used it's either 6 and 4 or 6 and 2, I can't remember. Or you can use another, another fancy mold, and because I can't stand forever, I'm going to use the fancy mold like this, because I actually like the way it looks with this also.
Cool.
So same technique, move this aside. A little bit of fondant.